is the first quick look at the Lightning Bronco. The Blue Bronco has come yesterday, and the first Lightning Blue pre-production Bronco made its way down the assembly line at the Michigan Assembly Plant, known as MAP, which is this acronyms for Michigan Assembly Plant. A Bronco Nation correspondent was on hand to cover the event and got some shots of the completed Bronco. Lightning Blue is available in other Ford vehicles, but for Bronco, it's the exclusive color for the first edition trim. This two-door shows us just how stunning the paint color can be. Interestingly, in our photos, the distinctive brush guard that is available with Broncos but standard on the first edition hasn't been installed yet. Presumably, this happens at a different part of the production process. The interior is leather trimmed vinyl in navy pear, which is quite astonishing. Ford is planning on releasing an all-black leather interior for the first edition, but we don't believe that one has been produced yet. Bronco Nation will be on the lookout for the interior and forwarding pics to the nation as soon as it can. And as soon as they do, I'll bring them here so you guys can take a look at it. And then if you want to, you can also go on Bronco Nation and download these pics and keep them on your own record as your background. I tell you, it's quite hype waiting for our Broncos. And it's just awesome. I love that interior. You love the cup holders. You know, it's quite cool. I wonder how the ventilation is going to work for the back seat, but they're going to make it so it comes up, you know, in this fashion. And I think, you know, everything is looking pretty good. It's going to be worth the wait, folks. It's going to be worth the wait. So hang in there. All is good. Thanks for watching. It's A Automotive Reviews. Look at that. I mean, that is just awesome. I love that top. You know how you can take the top off and just be riding. Man, I can't wait to get mine. I tell you. I didn't order it because I don't know what to do yet. You know, I still got $10,000 on my car. I'm up under. I think it might be 9 now. So I got to wait till the price gets down, and then I'll make that jump. I know that it'll probably be like an $800 car payment. So this is Automotive Reviews. Thanks for watching. Remember, like, share, and subscribe.
If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more interesting videos.